I want you to see where we're at. You have things you need to think about. I want you to see what we're fighting for, huh? At least I am.
Since pipelines need to fetch brand new instructions whose locations are unknown, and their scheduling and evaluation poses significant overheads and affects the design. We know that branches can have a great effect on the efficiency of execution of a program. Imagine the effect of branches on VLRW architecture for a minute. One wrong move and you may have to throw away not one but multiple instructions, and all the gains that you had could be compromised.
I think it's one of the most critical aspects of being a data scientist is to visualize what you're actually trying to make sense of. So if somebody gives me a data set which has 1 million rows and 10,000 columns, it's impossible for me to build a model unless I understand what the data means. And you really cannot visualize a 1 million cross 10,000 matrix. That's impossible to do. So you need to do smart things like look at maybe the sufficient statistics of the data.
A human, dressed in the pinnacle of godly haute couture, was sufficient to lure the demon momentarily from the infant, drunk of his triumph.
Fraternizing for the enemy, were we, dear? One can never have too many orgasms by the phantasms, can one?
My lady, some light, please, on this predicament. Have you no wind to fly your words on?
We are not unknown. Your wind is suffocated?
No.
Careful, you'll shoot your eye out. Careful, you'll shoot your eye out. Careful, you'll shoot your eye out. Careful, you'll shoot your eye out.
At night, the Greek soldiers hidden in the halls came out, and they let their fellow soldiers waiting outside the city to come in as well. As a result, the Greek soldiers passed all of Troy's defenses and destroyed the city and won the war. In the context of malware, a Trojan horse is a piece of malicious code embedded in a utility program that the user will run frequently. That is, when a user runs this useful program, the malicious code or the Trojan horse is also executing.